we need to always think the big question, how to feed 10 billion people by 2050. Will be great to see a world where we don't have anybody hungry. My name is Rajeev Varshney. I'm Director for Center for Crop and Food Innovation and State Agricultural Biotechnology Center at Murdoch University. I'm an agricultural scientist who specializes in genetics, genomics, and molecular breeding. We try to identify traits that are responsible for how well a crop can deal with drought or be more resistant to diseases or grow well with less fertilizer. Genomics takes this one step further. Instead of looking at just one gene at a time, genomics examines the entire instruction manual. It's like the difference between reading one page of a cookbook versus studying the whole cookbook to understand how all the recipes work together. And you see that some plants are short, some are tall. Traditionally, breeding was a case of trial and error. But in molecular breeding, we can look directly at the DNA and identify the genes we want that then breed for those specific traits. The recurrent parent genome recovery mode. We are working on horticultural crops and most importantly, cereal crops such as wheat and pulses crop like chickpea and lentil. Together with the partnerships with many countries, we decoded the genome of chickpea in 2013. Then in 2021, we published a paper where we presented the chickpea genetic variation map for 3,000 chickpeas. And now we have completed the genome sequencing of 10,000 chickpea line, which is a largest plant genome sequencing project. But the most important aspect from this genomics research is that we were able to identify the genes associated with the drought tolerance. And we delivered the improved chickpea varieties to the farmers in India, Ethiopia, Kenya, and Tanzania. And I'm so happy to mention that these farmers, they are growing those chickpeas, they have enhanced their income. This plant, now way back at home here in Australia, we are working with the GRDC, with Chickpea Breeding Australia, and we are trying to introgress the QTL hotspot in Australian chickpea varieties so that we are enhancing the farmers' profitability here in Australia, but we are contributing towards the food security around the world. It's an immense honor and privilege to be an Academy Fellow and to be listed alongside with the true titans of the scientific community. And I'm eager to play my role delivering tangible research outcomes that benefit all Australians here as well as to the other people around the world.